Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on VIVO Y200. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store and now click on search bar and type in Firefox and click search and now click install. Now you can click open and click not now. Here you can sign in to quickly switch between devices, or you can click not now. Now you can turn on notifications from this browser, or you can click not now. And your Firefox browser is now installed and ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.